Visit us on onestepenglish.education. Lesson 16. Past tense. Regular verbs. Add ed. Let's learn English. In our previous lesson, we added d to form the past tense of the verb.
Today we are going to do a different one.
To form some of the past tense of the verbs, we add ed to the present form.
Walk.
Walked.
Start.
Started.
Need.
Needed. Show.
Showed.
Clean.
Cleaned. Park.
Plant seeds. Planted seeds.
Park.
Play with friends. Played with friends.
Park.
Pull the rope. Pulled the rope.
Park.
Pick the flower. Pick the flower.
Park.
Read people. Greeted people.
Grocery store.
Push the cart. Push the cart.
Grocery store. Look at the stocks. Looked at the stocks. Grocery store.
Help carry goods. Helped carry good.
Grocery store. Wait in line. Waited in line. To form some of the past tense of the verbs, we add ed to the present form. Mom and Dad walked in the park this morning.
Mom and Dad walked in the park this morning.
Betty started doing her schoolwork early.
Betty started doing her schoolwork early.
Bert needed to take a bath last Wednesday because he was dirty.
Bert needed to take a bath last Wednesday because he was dirty.
Matt cleaned the house after finishing schoolwork.
Matt cleaned the house after finishing schoolwork.
Betty and I planted herbs for our project.
Betty and I planted herbs for our project.
The entire class played soccer in school yesterday.
The entire class played soccer in school yesterday.
Mom pulled her cart at the grocery before picking her goods.
Mom pulled her cart at the grocery before picking her goods.
The beautiful lady picked the flowers from the garden last Sunday.
The beautiful ladies picked the flowers from the garden last Sunday.
Kate greeted Mr. Smith this morning.
Kate greeted Mr. Smith this morning.
Mr. Andrews pushed his own cart at the grocery store.
Mr. Andrews pushed his own cart at the grocery store.
To form some of the past tense of the verbs, we add ed to the present form. Let's apply your knowledge.
Quiz number 1. Ready your pencil and paper. Are
You.
ready?
Write the past tense of the following regular verbs.
1. Look.
2. Walk.
3. Cook.
4. Jump.
5. Wash.
6. Talk.
7. Watch.
8. Help.
9. Clean.
10. Played.
Here are the answers.
1. Look. Looked.
2. Walk. Walked.
3. Cook. Cooked.
4. Jump. Jumped.
5. Wash. Washed.
6. Talk. Talked.
7. Watch. Watched.
8. Help. Helped.
9. Clean. Clean.
10. Play. Played.
Quiz number 2.
Part 2.
Ready your pencil and paper. Are
You.
ready?
Complete the sentences with the past tense of the regular verbs in brackets.
Number 1. My friends and classmates. The party last week. Number 1. My friends and classmates enjoyed the party last week.
Number 2. We. A trip to Singapore last month. Number 2. We planned a trip to Singapore last month.
Number 3. I. At home yesterday. Number 3. I stayed at home yesterday.
Number 4. Francis and Victoria. The carnival last weekend. Number 4. Francis and Victoria visit the carnival last weekend.
Number 5. Kevin. Basketball yesterday. Number 5. Kevin played basketball yesterday.
Number 6. I. TV last night. Number 6. I watched TV last night.
Number 7. Annika. Her mommy earlier. Number 7. Annika helped her mommy earlier.
Number 8. Dad. Our dinner last night. Number 8. Dad cooked our dinner last night.
Number 9. Thelma and Kessie. The door. Number 9. Thelma and Kessie locked the door.
Number 10. Andy. Her present this morning. Number 10. Andy opened her present this morning.
Quiz number 2.
Part 2.
Ready your pencil and paper.
R.
You.
Ready.
Fill in the blank with past tense from the word bank.
Number 1. Are your clothes?
Number 2. George. At him with wondering eyes.
Number 3. Mia. Slowly back to the kitchen.
Number 4. Yvonne. Up quickly and lightly.
Number 5. The people at the party were in old-fashioned clothes.
Here are the answers.
Number 1. I washed your clothes.
Number 2. George looked at him with wondering eyes.
Number 3. Mia walked slowly back to the kitchen.
Number 4. Yvonne jumped up quickly and lightly.
Number 5. The people at the party were dressed in old-fashioned clothes.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Visit us on onestepenglish.education.